Now, what does he want to eat?
Fishies.
Fishies?
Yeah.
And he doesn't want to eat froggies now?
No, he doesn't want to eat fish.
What else does he want to eat?
Water.
Water. Anything else?
Yeah. It's for drink stuff.
Oh.
No, it's for drink stuff.
Uh-huh.
It's for drink stuff.
Uh-huh.
No, it's for drink stuff. It's for drinks. It's for drink stuff.
For drink stuff.
That's not here yet. He's still at work.
Mm-hmm. So's Mr. Charlie.
Yeah, it's Mr. Charlie. Mr. Charlie is at work.
I know. Say, where are you, Mr. Charlie?
Where are you, Mr. Charlie? I just hear him.
Did you?
No, it's just a motorcycle.
Oh.
It's not Daddy, it's Charlie. It's Charlie. It's not Dad.
Nope.
It's Charlie.
Just Charlie.